This is convicted sex offender and domestic abuser James Morrison. He repeatedly attacked a domestic abuse victim after promising he would treat her well and has now been jailed. He threatened to stab the woman while armed with a kitchen knife and attacked her on 4 different occasions. A court heard got into a relationship with the woman after she split from a previous abusive partner. Morrison promised her that his relationship with her would be different, but the 23-year-old showed her his words were nothing but lies as he attacked her on a number of occasions. The attacks took place in Ayrshire last year, and Morrison appeared at the High Court in Edinburgh yesterday, Wednesday, May 6, 2026, to be sentenced. He was sentenced to 4 years and 8 months behind bars and made the subject of an extended sentence, which will see him monitored for a further 4 years.